What is going on, guys? My name is Chase. Welcome back to Intelligent Money Investing. And since everybody on YouTube these days has been talking about entrepreneurship, making money online, and growing YouTube channel, today I'm going to talk about how I make $0 a month online with my YouTube channel. But in all actuality, guys, I actually am growing a pretty sizable channel here. And even though I do make $0 right now, I do plan on upping that in the future, and we are getting close to that monetization mark. So I kind of want to talk about that topic today. Before we get into that, I want to welcome all the new subscribers we have on the channel. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent making videos lately. I'm in the middle of final season right now at college. I'll be done in about a week. So that's when you guys can expect more consistent videos from me. And if you guys could, smash that like button on this video and leave a comment down in the description telling me what you guys think about online income. So now let's get into it. My plan for YouTube income. So the first one is going to be pretty obvious. As I just mentioned before, it's going to be YouTube monetization. So if you guys didn't know, YouTube recently did change the requirements in order to monetize your videos. Before, it was 10,000 views on the entire channel, and then they switched it to 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time. And they did watch time over views because a lot of people would bot views, and even though it's a lot easier to bot a view than it is an hour of watch time, so that was their thinking there. So, the 1,000 subscribers, we absolutely have breezed past that. I think we've gotten about 600 subscribers in the last month, which has been absolutely insane. And thank you guys so much. And it's been really exciting seeing these subscribers flowing in. And I'd love to see some new faces down in the comments down below on this video. But right now, we are sitting at about 2,600 out of that 4,000 hours of watch time. And if you look up here, I'll get off of that for a second. This has been the month of April has had about 900 hours of watch time alone, so it's been really successful. And March had about 726. So if I'm going to do it in 10 months, I need to average about 400 per month. But it's looking like it's going to be a lot faster than that. And we need about 1.4 thousand hours of watch time before we get that monetization mark. I'm hoping we can hit that next month, maybe the month after, but we will see. Basically how the videos and the views pan out when I'm able to upload them a little more consistently. We kind of tailed off on views lately, but that's all right. I haven't been uploading as consistently, so that's totally my fault. I'm hoping to see about a $6 to $9 CPM, and what a CPM is, it's like cost per mil, and it's like basically the amount of money that you're going to get per 1,000 views on your channel. A lot of people see more than that in this niche, see like $10, $12. Before I was demonetized, before I was getting about $4 to $5 per CPM, but I think as a newer channel, you aren't quite as established as the type of videos you're making, and the algorithm hasn't determined that as a finance channel, they should be pushing finance type ads to my channel, and those are going to be generally higher paid because it's a more lucrative niche. There's no big financial companies are some of the biggest in the world, so they're willing to advertise, and people want to break into that space, and there's a lot of competitors because it is such a profitable business, and that's going to drive ad prices up. So that's going to be the number one, but definitely probably going to be my primary way of making money. I'm not going to be one of the people who is selling $500 courses, and that's where I make 90% of my income. We'll talk about that a little bit later, but I'm definitely thinking YouTube monetization will be my primary form of income on this channel. Number two is going to be affiliate links. So right now we have Robinhood only. You guys will see that down in the description. We also have links to the Discord chat and an M1 Finance thing. I haven't actually had. I don't think I've had anybody sign up through M1 Finance, but I've had 20 signups on Robinhood, about maybe a little bit more than that now, and only 2 people have funded it. So the people who have signed up on that link should fund their account. All you have to do is put $1 in there. You'll get your free stock, and it's a totally free trading app. There's no catch there. It's just a great app to be a part of and brokerage firm to be a part of. But so far, that's gotten me about $10 of revenue, $10 of income. But so that hasn't happened in a while. It actually both of the funding things happened as soon as I started. As soon as I put that link out, then I had the 2, and I had like 2 out of 4 people fund their account, and now I'm at like 2 out of 20. So maybe it's just evening out a little bit. I don't know what the exact percentage of people who sign up and actually go through it are. And then there's Amazon affiliate links. A lot of people do those in their videos. You'll see most of the popular YouTubers may put a huge laundry list of their equipment or favorite books or something like that in their description. And that's because if anybody clicks on that, you'll get a certain percentage of any order that person does on Amazon Amazon in the next 24 hours, I believe it is. So it's definitely something I'm going to want to be a part of. And I've heard that when you have those links, most of the time it's just from people buying one thing and going off and doing a like clicking off and buying something else instead. I'm going to go ahead and put myself on Do Not Disturb really quick. So you guys can see, pretty bad day in the stock market over here, unfortunately, but we'll hope it'll bounce back soon. So now let's go down to number 3. Number 3 is going to be consulting. So this is not going to be me doing a portfolio consulting unless somebody really wants to like get a very small start. I'm not going to be pitching individual stocks. I'm not a financial consultant. If that's what you guys want, you should be going to a trained professional, somebody who's certified, somebody who's been doing it for many years. I can talk you through like philosophy for investing, but I can't talk individual stocks like a lot of professionals can. You don't want to put that much money behind somebody else's research unless they are certified and can show you their great returns in the past. But I would love to do some business consulting. I have had a couple people have inquiries in so far. I haven't really had time to actually set a time to do some consulting just yet, but I absolutely plan to do that this summer. So if you guys are interested, most of this is going to be business and YouTube. I actually think I've done a great job marketing myself here, and I have a lot of different strategies for YouTube growth that have allowed me to grow to 1,400 subscribers in a pretty short period of time, in my opinion. A lot of people have taken months and months to even get 100 subscribers, and I've kind of blown past that. I believe it's been about 4 months, and it's about 1,400 subscribers now, and we've gotten like 600 in the last month. So it's been absolutely fantastic. If you guys are interested in that, shoot me a link or a private message on YouTube, or join that Discord chat. Send me a private message, anything like that. I'm pretty easy to access. Yeah, so that I'm definitely open for business if anybody's interested. I think that'd be more fun for me. I really just love helping and teaching people. So if I can help anybody out in a significant way and in a way that could give them a good side income, and because so many people get into YouTube and they quit even though they have good content because it is such a tedious task at the beginning. So if I can help anybody shorten that like difficult time at the beginning, that'd be great. So the fourth and final one I'm going to be talking about is going to be paid products, and these are absolutely not going to be like the ridiculous expensive courses that I see people have, like the financial education one that I called out a while ago. And there's all sorts of like $1,000 Shopify courses and stuff like that. And while I do think there is a little bit of validity to those, I'm really a proponent of free information, but there is some sort of value in buying into something, especially like even though there is a lot of free information out there, there's some sort of value in buying into something just so you stick with it. But I don't think that these thousands and thousands of dollars courses, $500 courses, are the way to go. If I had a product, it'd be $10, $20. It would not be expensive at all, just because I am a proponent of that free information. What you're really paying for is for that information to be consolidated and kind of fed to you, unless it's a very unique information, which there isn't that much of. There's so many people in these niches and stuff like that. So it's really the consolidated information that you want. So I may think about going into that in the future. Really, like I said, absolutely not trying to become one of those channels that just posts like once weekly or something like that and is like, hey, look at all my money, look at what I'm doing. Buy my ridiculous expensive course and you can be like me. Like, it's not going to be like a Ty Lopez channel or something like that. That stuff's absolutely ridiculous. I think it's kind of ridiculous when people are making 95% of their income off of courses and teaching people stuff rather than actually doing and like actually earning rather than like making a course and outsourcing stuff like that. So that's what I've got for you guys today. If you guys have any questions on YouTube income, entrepreneurship online, it's really such an area where there's so much potential out there because it's such a developing space, and there's always going to be opportunities online because of the broad audience that there is. You guys can access anybody in the world, right? Like if you were going to be an entrepreneur 20, 30 years ago, maybe you make a store and you have the people that come in there, like your demand, like your customers are going to be the people that walk by. Maybe you do run an ad on a local station, so you have some people coming to your shop. But with entrepreneurship and online business, you can access a wide variety of people all over the world. There's so many people in Europe and other countries that are watching the videos here, and it's really crazy to think about that there's such a wide audience of people from different places watching me, and there's also other people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars online with their stores or with their channels. I have audiences from people all over the world. So it's really an incredible space. It's still developing, and there's always going to be opportunity to get in there, even if it is going to be slow in the beginning. So if you guys have any questions, I'm happy to answer any questions down below in the comments. Love interacting with you guys. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Hit a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.